You know, I have the little him purse by my side and here we go on. She needs some grooming, you know.
Yeah.
But I work with it for them, you know what I mean? So, what I want with you? Glad to know you never
I and the minute I hear your name, the young Jella passed today for my black and he mentioned your name and stuff. I said, wait, a porter, same time.
Yes, man.
And I want to tell you, say, I hear you, know. I say what you are saying, and I agree, 100%. But one thing I must tell you, this kit that you got as a technological expert is not something to be wasted. So I don't want you to shortchange the farming, but I don't want you to totally shelf it either. It can still be used for the purposes of good.
So Mullins tell me, say, when I have certain things to do, Mullins, I feel like I best way that.
That is it.
The on the side of the Lord, you know?
That is it.
Yeah, man, but King man, I tell you, I'm glad for see the eye, brother.
It's a
I'm
job.
glad for you to the back on the ground. The place did I get unseen. Because people been asking.
And right now, that is one of my reasons there. Because there is some people that are contributing to the unsiness of this thing that we need to take care of legally.
Yeah.
I must admit. So, and that said, I like you looking to a mall and sway for me. And also, a Ratcliffe mall. Just find way to you can upon them for me and them whole business aspirations. That's all it is.
Ratcliffe
Nothing
Marble.
illegal.
Ratcliffe Marble.
Yeah. The name might sound familiar for a man like me and you. Maybe that as Ratcliffe, but we talk about it.
And you say a straight legit.
Straight legit. No fubble that one. Just info.
The name Ratcliffe Marble come up at the hilltop, you know. At the same person.
Same. One and the same. You see what I talk about now? And this is where, my friend, Mullins, in a situation, he put me and help me in a situation where he know that we have the wherewithal and the know-how to impact good in our society.
You know, say, some
Yeah.
things are going on the hill where we never even know how to. I say I know my business, but so Wallace what a man will rate and respect. But the female now call up the man, because they move some of my people in from up there.
Well, to tell you the truth, while the name Wallace is not a favorite name of mine,
Yeah.
I'd say overlook fame at contribution. For now, as a matter of fact, get an inside look on it because make sure everything and everyone and be clear. Alright. So because this is chess, might as well do it right and done. Yeah?
Anything you say, no king.
That is it, my friend. The giant back is soldier then. Before them get.
Glad to
Lord.
see you, no king man.
It's a jar.
And no joke thing.
It's a jar.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Numbers, much up a breadfruit.
Yeah, man.
I saw you out and you for road.
Mm.
When there were food there,
Yeah.
don't behave like for no shy.
Also, man, I run from the dirt thing.
And
that
vicious, never tell a lie.
Never tell a
Never
lie.
And thunder, yeah?
What's behind the inside? Yeah, man, turn it vicious.
Yeah, man, make sure they are.
Turn the breadfruit, they're not getting a blight.
Hold on, not far, there.
Actually, we didn't tell them what the time is.
Yeah, boss. What? So I have to go over there now? Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man, then. I have to move there now.
I have a little emergency. Wow.
How about everything alright?
Me talk. See me? I'm good for find back in New York.
Yeah, man, our place.
Alright.
You sure you're good though?
Yeah, man. Good.
Everything good with Spa?
You know, me chat, eh?
Make sure you know. Anyway.
Beat the breakfast like a slave.
Yeah. Well, I tell you.